Blockstream Green Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the Blockstream Green Wallet. Links to the product are available in the description below. In this video, I'll break down the key features, strengths, weaknesses, and who this wallet is best suited for. Let's get started. Blockstream Green Wallet is a highly secure, non-custodial Bitcoin wallet designed with advanced features for both beginners and more experienced users. It offers a sleek interface with a strong emphasis on security and privacy. One of its standout features is the multi-signature support. Blockstream Green allows you to set up 2 of 2 or 2 of 3 multi-sig wallets, which provide an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access, ideal for those with larger amounts of Bitcoin or for those seeking extra security. The wallet offers seamless integration with Blockstream's Liquid network, enabling faster and more secure transactions. This is a significant advantage for users looking to send and receive Bitcoin with lower fees and higher privacy. Additionally, it has excellent two-factor authentication, 2FA, and backup options, ensuring you can recover your funds even if your phone or device is lost. Blockstream Green's privacy features are another highlight. It doesn't track your IP address, and transactions are sent over Tor for anonymity. This makes it a great choice for privacy-conscious users. The wallet also includes hardware wallet support, allowing integration with devices like Trezor and Ledger, which further enhances its security. On the downside, while the wallet is feature-rich, it might be overkill for beginners due to its advanced security options and multi-sig setup. It could also be seen as slightly more complex compared to simpler wallets like Electrum or Exodus, which may deter those who just want a quick, user-friendly solution. The wallet's fee structure is also somewhat high for small transactions, which could be a drawback for users making frequent, smaller transfers. In conclusion, Blockstream Green Wallet is a fantastic option for users who prioritize security, privacy, and advanced features like multi-sig and Liquid network integration. It's best suited for more experienced users or anyone holding a significant amount of Bitcoin. Check the links in the description to explore it further.